Hello, today I will show you how to view file lineage in the first point data risk assessment trial. So, what is data lineage? It is essentially the history of events that happened to a file. It's things like renames, edits, move, sharing events of the files. We capture this by continuously monitoring your environment in near real time. So let me show how it works in action. So what I do now is that I'll go to OneDrive account where I already have some files here, and I'll open file PCI data v2. So here we have some PCI information in this document. I'll go ahead and will rename this file. I'll modify it, and I'll share this information externally. So what I'll do is that I'll share it first internally to entire organization, and then I will go ahead and I will share it publicly so that anyone in the internet can access this file without any authentication. It means that even in incognito mode or any user can access this information. So let me see. We log in to this file without any authentication. We can see it here. We can even edit it. We need to navigate to Files Overview page where we can see all files that have been detected by continuous monitoring. We can do it by using scan trigger filter, or we can navigate directly to the files that we are monitoring. So if we select this file directly, we can see here we have the files that we monitor. We can see how it's been classified. We can see the permissions, how it's been shared. And here is the file lineage piece where we can see all events that have been happening to the file. We can see that this file was renamed from v2 to v3. It was modified, and it also was viewed by anonymous user. So here we can see the anonymous user viewed this file. So all of this information contributes to the view of a file lineage for the file where we have comprehensive view of what was happening. We even can see the exact details of client IP address, how user accessed it. And this is the end of the presentation for how to view lineage of files in first point data risk assessment trial. Thank you for additional help. See the link in the description below. Thank you.